Hey, what's going on guys, it's Red here. Welcome to another video on the channel where today I'm going to show you what you need to make a good banner on YouTube and how to make one like these. This is on paint.net, so if you do not already have it, I will leave a link to it down below. Anyway, if you do enjoy this video, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe and comment down below any good tutorial ideas for future videos, and I will see you in the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your web browser by double clicking it. And in the top column, all you have to write in is YouTube channel art template. Here you go into images, and just copy this one right here. Just gonna copy that, and now from here you go back to your desktop and open up paint.net. Right, now you're on this, you want to press File, New, and you need to write in these right here. So you need to write 2560 by 1140. No, 1440 pixels. This is in pixels, so don't get anything else. Just press OK, paste your image right there, and this is your template for your YouTube channel art. Right, from here you want to make a new layer, and you want to go back onto the internet, and you want to pick a background. Right. There we go. I'm gonna write in background. Right, like this. I'm going to go into images. I'm just going to choose a background right now. Let's check. I'll be back when I found one. Right, now that I found it, I'm just going to select the size. So I want mine to be max. Oh, that's not max. There we go. I'm just going to write in my initials for my YouTube channel. So it's JR. Oh wait, we're on this one right now. Let's make a new layer then. So go above this. Make a new layer. I'll do this white, why not? Just like this. There we go. It's white now. I'm gonna write JR. I'm gonna do that on this other side too. And these can stay like that for now. They might not be perfectly lined, but we'll sort that out after. Right. I'm just gonna write logo. You can also put your logo here. You can put initials. I just put initials. Right. From here, what you want to do is you want to get back onto your shape tool, and I'm going to back on rectangle, and I'm going to start making a few boxes. These will be for social media, so depending on how many you've got, depends on how many boxes you really make. I'm only going to put 3 of them on because yeah, I can. So I'm going to do that very quickly. Just going to make these like this. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Go like this. Now for now, I'm just gonna double click this. I'm gonna change the transparency to about. Let's do that. Why not? Alright, now I'm just gonna copy these right here, delete them, and I'm gonna make a new slide and paste them again. There we go. Right, now I'm gonna change transparency to about. Yeah, there, that will do. And I'm gonna change one of these white. I mean black, not white. They're already white. Just like that. There we go. Now from here, I'm just gonna make them all line up perfectly. So I'm gonna put it about there. And go white, black, why not? Make the box a bit smaller so I can actually move it there without covering it over. We'll do that there, and then we'll do the white one as well to make the perfect pattern, just like this. There we go. Right, now that that's done, I'm just gonna make another box. This one's gonna be a bit smaller than the other one. Well, it's gonna be a square, so it's gonna be a bit smaller. I'm gonna copy that. Gonna fill it in with the black before. I'm gonna paste it. Oh wait, let me just quickly fix that. Like this. There you go. Copy that. I paste it. Paste it. There we go. And I'm gonna put this right there. And I'm gonna change this other one to white. So just click back over here, get the white one. Yep, like that, and change that white. There we go. I'm going to move that to the middle. As you can see, I've got a nice black and white pattern. Just like, wait, the box is a bit too big again. just like this. I'll just move that here. Alright. Okay, now that's done. It looks like the transparency needs to be down a bit more, so I'm gonna do that. There we go, that's fine there. So this is for the username of the your username on the social media, then a picture, so on, so forth. So you can add more of these if you want. You can put them like across, you can put them even here if you want. But I recommend them in the smallest area, because then all the good information is actually in the bit that everyone can see no matter what device they're on. Anyway, next thing you want to do is you want to make I'm going to make a nice name for myself right here. I'm going to change it about that and write JustRed, just like that. And I'm going to select it, copy, delete, make a new layer, paste down again. There you go, just like that. And I'm going to make another layer above it, paste down again like that as well. Right, now we've got two of the exact same thing, but they're on different layers. So the one on this layer, we're going to change it black, just like this. Oh no, that's the background black. Just like this. You can also just write it in black, but I find this easier, so I'm going to move that back down there now. Change these layers around, and this one can stay white for now, at least for now. Right, I'm going to double click them, change the transparency a bit, that's fine. Do the same with this one. Yes, good. Right, I'm going to go into the black JustRed, and I'm going to move this up here, just behind it, and I'm going to get it so it looks like a nice shade, shadow, just like that. Alright, that's good for now. Might be a bit smaller than I wanted, so I'm going to click on this one, merge it down, and just make it a bit bigger. There we go. Alright, from here I'm going to go back onto this. I'm going to change it to about 40, as you can see, and I'm going to write a nice slogan. So I'm going to write make sure to like and subscribe for more content, just like that. Right, that might be a bit long, so I might just do subscribe. Right, we'll write that again. Just write make like that. Yeah, that'll do. Right, and we'll go on the layer with that one's like that. Okay, that's fine. And we'll write it one more time. Actually, no. Before we do that, I want to change it back to white, so it's definitely white. There we go. And I'm going to write make. Oh. Just like that. Right, from here, I'm just going to select the white one, and I'm going to put it on top of the black one. So it seems like I have to make a new layer, so I'm going to copy it, delete it, make a new layer, paste it, and then I'm going to put it over it. Change the transparency a bit, here like that. Now I'm going to make a nice transparency bit. There we go. Now from here, you might want a subscribe button to encourage people to subscribe to your channel. So easy, you're going to click on your shape tool again, change it to the rounded rectangle, and you're going to quickly make like a nice subscribe button shape. So it's going to be something like something like that. There we go. Now I'm going to fill that in white, like that. Actually no, we'll fill it in black, why not? So we'll have white text, won't we? Yeah, look at that. And then we'll write in, we don't want it in the breath result, we want it to look nice, so we're going to do that font. We're going to change it to white again, and we're going to write subscribe. Just like that. Ah, I see what I've done wrong here. Right, we're going to go back onto this. I'm going to make it just a bit bigger, like that. Now we're going to turn it white and then black again, just like this. There we go. Make a new layer. Now we're going to get the text tool. And we're going to write in white, remember? Just white, and then subscribe. Damn it, I'm so bad. Right, you don't have to, as you know, you can write your own name, you can write your own slogan, you can do your own social medias, your own logos, anything like that. This is just me showing you what I would do for it. So, simple as that. I'm going to click on this one more time, make it a bit brighter, there we go, like that. And we'll do the finishing touches and I'll be back with you. Alright, now finally added all the finishing touches. As you can see, I've added Instagram, some Twitter, some Discord. I've added a little click icon. I've brightened up this JustRed logo a bit more, and I think it looks pretty good for the first one. So yeah, guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe, and comment down below any good tutorial ideas for future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.